So this is a small garden vlog. I wanted to grow all my vegetables in the pot itself. So this is a small attempt. This is Moringa oleifera, which is called as drumstick. So though it is a tree variety, I am going to grow that in a pot. For that I have taken an 18-inch pot and normal soil I have mixed with no chemical fertilizers, nothing. Just I have added cow dung with the soil itself. So I'm going to wait. Once it grows to a medium sized shrub, I'm going to I'm going to trim the top portion so that it will branch out, and then later it will flower and it will fruit. So this is a small experiment. So this is drumstick tree, and this is an amaranthus. You have two varieties of amaranthus, very good for our eyesight especially, and it is one type of greens which is very tasty. So this is amaranthus in these pots I am growing. And this is turnip, knoll cole we call, right? So knoll cole, it is still germinating. So all these are knoll coles. So in all these pots knoll cole I have grown. In this region I am growing guava. So this is one variety of guava. So usually when we transplanted guava, all the leaves and fruits fell down. Now it has started to sprout. Also I have sown some seeds also of guava. After eating a guava fruit, I had sown some seeds, even that has been germinating. And this is the actual guava. This is pomegranate. So you can find the pomegranate. It is still in vegetative, it is not yet flowering. This is lemon, citrus variety lemon. So you can find flowering has already done. I made an individual video for this. Fruiting process also has been initiated. Almost in the first harvest, 5 to 6 flowers or fruits are there here and there. So we have to wait and see for the second harvest. This is radish, Raphanus sativus. So I'm growing radish over here. And this is gourd, bottle gourd variety. So it is just starting to grow. I have to put some wires over here, bottle gourd variety. And this side are almost all floral parts only, all are floral plants. Very few medicinal plants here and there I have kept. Chilies are growing over here. Some chilies have started to sprout. And this is stevia. This is also good for it's a medicinal plant. It's stevia. And this is called as mixed spice plant. When you take this leaf of this, aroma of this, you get all spices flavor you get, and it is edible. So whenever you're making any dishes, you can use this. You get all spices flavor in the single plant. You have clove smell, cardamom smell, cinnamon smell. All these smells come in a single leaf. That is all spice plant. And this is actual bay leaf. So you can find bay leaf. You can use fresh bay leaf also for cooking, or you can take this leaf and you can dry it and also you can use it. And this is all the basala. We call it basala alba. In Kannada it is called as basle soppu. This is also very good for health. It is rich in iron and all. So here is all 3 pots of basle soppu. It is a climber, so I have just given the grill as in support. And this another very important medicinal plant. This is called as Cissus quadrangularis. Because it is 4 ridges it is having, it is called as quadrangularis. So it is in common, it is known as bone setter. I don't know in Kannada. In Whiteys only, it is Whiteys or Cissus quadrangularis scientific name. In Tamil we call it as perendai. So this is it is called as bone setter. It is very good for bones. So after 30 years or after 40 years, everybody should consume this at least weekly once. So Ayurvedic doctor says that it is very good for the bones. When we start consuming this weekly once after 30 years, no sort of joint pains, back pain, leg pain you will get. It's very good for bones. Bone setter it is called as Cissus quadrangularis. So these are some of the plants that I have been growing in my terrace, and apart from that they are all the floral plants. So once they bloom, I will show. There are some more work needs to be done. After all that basic works, de-weeding and adding all those some fertilizers and all, then I will show you in the other vlogs. And this side I have curry leaf. So this is also again an 18-inch pot. So curry leaves are there. It's very aromatic curry leaves. This is unlike the normal curry leaves that we get from the market. It's not like that. It is very aromatic. And this is henna. So already we took some henna last week and applied for head and hands and all. So that is why it is again sprouting. So we removed only the leaves. This henna we apply mehendi in our hands. No, it is because of this plant. They take the leaves of this plant and they make it into a paste, and you can apply it into head to cool the body temperature and all. and you can apply it in hand also. So this is about henna plant. Last week we had taken it, so leaves are all again sprouting.